Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Volo's hair towel as well as their hair scrunchie, which they call their little sidekick. Super cute. So first let's check out the hair towel. It's like a super luxurious, fuzzy, vulnerable hair needs protecting. Oh, 50% shorter dryer times because of this, less breakage, and they feature a signature strap, which is this guy right here, so you can tuck your hair in. So I'll show you how to do it once I figure it out. Okay, so this is quite large. It is like as long as my arm span, and then as wide as like almost like my arm, like here, a little bit. So you can kind of see the size of it. You can actually use it as a towel, not just the hair towel. Not quite as large as a normal towel, obviously, but because it is large enough for that, you can literally just use this to wipe your body first and then wrap your hair up. So it's the perfect towel to, go on the go and to travel with. Okay, so here is how to use the Volo Hero. Squeeze out excess water, wrap it around the base of your head with the strap at the back of your head, twist and tuck. Okay. So this strap is on the outside. You want to flip your hair down and then put this at the nape of your neck, like that. And then wrap. And then tuck. Over here. And, well, normally your hair would be wet, so it wouldn't be out like that. But yeah, that's generally how you do it, is basically wrap and tuck, and you see it's tucked right there. Now let's try their scrunchie. This is their scrunchie, made with the same soft, fluffy material. Comes in 2 different colors. Their towels also come with different colors as well, so you can choose their pink or their gray. But let me just wrap it like this. So it's super soft on your hair, so it doesn't damage anything. And then there you go. That's the first one, and it's super tight too, actually. The second one. So yeah, there you go. That's a scrunchie. Obviously, you can tie it however you want, but when you pull it out, there's no hairs attached to it. So that's good. Usually whenever I pull it out, there's always hairs because, stuff gets caught or whatever. I feel like, yeah, there's the stretchiness is also super stretchy as well. So if you want to purchase the Volo hair towel or scrunchies, be sure to check out the link below. And for more product reviews, continue watching, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about, this product, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.